So welcome guys to the TechLine channel. So today we are unboxing the MI 2-in-1 USB cable. This cable is very helpful for me, so I purchased this from Flipkart. I give the link in the description box. This is the MI USB Type C and the USB cable, micro USB cable. As you can see, there's MI branding and MI 2-in-1 USB cable, micro USB to Type C. Yeah, there is the two cables. As you can see, this is the connecting to a charging port, USB Type C USB cable. So guys, you can see this quick charge supported. This is the best thing that I love from this cable. And this cable supports quick charge support and the fast data transfer. So let's open it out. So guys, as you can see, I open it out right now and I'm opening this cable. So guys, you can see these are the cable that I purchased from Flipkart. This is the converter that we connect from power bank or charger, and this was the cable. There's two modes. One is a USB Type C and second is micro USB cable, as you can see. But there is one small problem that we can't connect the micro USB and Type C cable in the same charging time, as you can see. So let's connect this out. So guys, these are my regular power bank that I purchased recently, and when I go outside then I use this power bank, this MI 20,000 mAh power bank. I give in the link in the description of this video. I also love this power bank, and this cable is very good, but I have used, the company didn't give a Type C cable, that's why I have to purchase this cable. And this is the converter micro USB to USB-C type collection. So I purchased this for charging my phone from outside. So you can see I'm connecting this cable to my power bank for checking out that it works. That support micro USB cable, as you can see. So let's connect. I am using the micro USB cable or Type C because this phone doesn't support the micro USB cable. So let's start. As you can see, the charging was started. And this one is, guys, by the way, Realme 3i that I purchased recently. So as you can see, the charging was started, and wait, I will do some brightness. As you can see, the charging was started, and if I off this from power bank, so guys, as you can see that I checking out this micro USB pin in the micro USB phone. So just now we're checking out the Type C port. So as you can see, I plug it in, and these are the Redmi Note 7. This is my this is my primary phone. So let's unboot it. So this is Redmi Note 7. This is my primary phone, and let's connect. This is the Type C port, as you can see, not micro USB, and this is the micro USB. So let's start it. So as you can see, guys, let's connect with power bank. Sorry, it's as you can see, guys, let's start the charging. As you can see, the sound was on, and you see the charging logo if I turn it off, you can see one time more I will do it. You can see, but if it's one time more. But guys, if you connect two phones in same time, one is micro USB, one is type C, then it didn't charge. As you can see, wait, I will do it. So guys, as you can see, this is my primary phone, and this is my secondary phone, the Redmi Note 4. When we connect two plugs in two devices, just like the Redmi Note 7 is support USB type C, and Redmi Note 4 support micro USB. As you can see, so only micro USB supported, not both the plugs were supported. This micro USB, and as you can see, start the charging, and it's type C. Let's check it out, it's charged or not. I think it's not. So guys, as you can see, the micro USB is charging, but the type C is not charging. It means my Redmi Note 7 is not charging. As you can see, if we plug it off and we add this both in one, then we start doing. As you can see, the Redmi Note 7 is charging. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then hit the subscribe button and hit the and like this video. If you like this video, then share to friends and family, and subscribe this channel. Hope you like and enjoy this video. Thank you. And it's not a simple cable, it's fast charging cable, and this power bank also support the fast charging 18 watt Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.